How to make stickers on Canva to sell quick and easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can create stickers using Canva and you can start selling them. So let's get into it. Now, whenever you're designing stickers, you might be wondering on how to publish them or sell them. For that, you can use a print-on-demand platform like Redbubble. So Redbubble is a great choice for people that are looking to create stickers or any item and you want to sell it without having to, do all the complicated stuff, find complicated items. You can just upload the sticker designs and then you can start selling them on Redbubble. So you can put these or create these designs using Canva, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can do that. So we're going to get into it now. There are two different types of ways that you can do that. First off is creating like a sticker palette where you have multiple stickers in one little frame. So this will give you like the option to cut stickers, so you can create sticker packs or you can make individual stickers. So that is totally up to you. Now we're going to get started on Canva. So head on over to canva.com. Canva.com is absolutely free to use and you don't have to sign up or you don't have to, put a registration fee or anything like that. You just sign up via your email address like I have over here. Once you have signed up via your email address, you're going to click on custom size and then you're going to change this from pixels to inches and then you're going to choose the size of your sticker. So let's say I want to make one individual sticker and this is going to be like a 2x2 inch sticker. So I'm going to input the size. So it's going to be a 2x2 inch sticker and I'm going to click on create new design and this will open up the canvas over here. So you can see this is a rather small canvas and I have zoomed in quite a bit. Now what you're going to do is on your left, you're going to have your element section and then you're going to click on elements and then you're going to search for anything that you want. So let's say I want to create like a cute little sticker with a few text lines. So what I would do is, let's say I'm going to search for lion. And then once I have searched for lion, I'm going to click on graphics over here. And once I have searched for graphics, I'm going to take any illustration that I like. So I'm just going to scroll down and you can see there are so many different options available. And you can see the ones that have the pro version are only available on the pro version of Canva. However, you can use any of the other ones. And the pro version of Canva only starts at a couple of dollars. So you can subscribe to the pro version if you feel like you're going to use it. But I'm just going to take one of these free illustrations over here and I'm going to expand it like so. Once I have expanded it, you can see once you click on an illustration, you also get recommendations. So similar looking illustrations will be recommended to you, and then you can pick out anything that you like from those as well. And I'm just going to use this, and I'm going to place this at the top center. So you can use these purple lines as a guide whether or not your item is centered. And once you have placed that over here, I maybe want to place some text. I'm going to resize this over here. And once I have resized this, I'm just going to place it right over here. And I want to place like a roar on the bottom. So for that, I'm going to click on the text section on the left side of my screen. And once I click on the text section, you have multiple different font combos that you can choose from, or you even have the untitled brand kit, so you can use a simple heading text and customize it accordingly. But just to save time, I would recommend that you check out their font combos because they do have some amazing font combos that you can get started with. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take one of the fonts from here. So I'm going to take one that fits the overall look. So I'm going to go with this one. Maybe I think this one is going to be a bit better. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete the bottom text, just select it and press delete, and then I'm going to add roar. And then I'm just going to resize this. So I'm going to expand it over here and then resize this like so. And then I'm going to place it over here right at the bottom of my sticker. Or you can even place it on the top, like however you want to arrange this, but I want to place it at the bottom and you can even rotate it. So moving on ahead, just take a look at how you want to arrange your sticker, and I think I want to place it over here. And once I've done that, I'm just going to click on the text over here, and then I want to click on the text color on the top, and then you can open up the color wheel from here and you can pick out any color that you want. So I'm going to go with like a maroon color for this, like so, and then I can just click on share and I can click on download and download this as a PNG or JPEG, however you want. So you're going to click on download and now you can upload these stickers on Redbubble and you can design a lot more complicated things and you can create entire sticker packs. So Moving on ahead, I'm going to go back into the home section and let's say I want to make like a bunch of different stickers that are similar. So what I would do is I would click on custom size. So I want to build like a stickers pack. So I'm going to click on custom size and then I'm just going to select inches. And let's say these are also going to be 2 by 2 inch. I'm going to click on create new design and let's say these are going to be, so for that I'm going to click on the element section and then once I click on the element section I'm going to search for cute bird. And now you can see there are multiple different illustrations over here. So I'm going to click on graphics over here and I'm going to wait for the results. So first I'm going to take this illustration and I'm going to expand it. And you can add text if you want. You can leave it as it is. Or this could be lovebird, love stickers. So I've added love stickers and then I can click on add page and then go on ahead and add the second sticker and in this way I can download the entire collection all at once and upload it on my print on demand platform or any other platform. So once I've clicked on like one sticker, I have magic recommendations and I'm just going to click on see all and this will give me multiple different recommendations. So I can build this in pink, then I can click on add page and then I can add the same one and then change the color scheme. So instead of pink, I can do them in blue. And this is just another way for you to be able to create, a lot more stickers from a simple design. So you can go on ahead and build quite a large inventory of stickers like this. So one is in pink, one is in blue, then you can click on add page. And with each sticker that you click, you have multiple different options. So we're just going to expand these and then you can add text as well. So we can scroll down or you can place a sticker at the center. And then what I would do is I would click on element, search for heart. So we're just going to search for hearts. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on graphics over here. And then I'm just going to add these hearts. And I'm going to edit the colors like this and do Command C and Command V, place these at the bottom, and then I would change it to the yellow color, and now I have like a more creative kind of sticker. And in this way, you're going to keep on designing, and you can just click on share, click on download, and download all of your stickers all together. And then you can go on ahead on Redbubble. You can click on sell your art and then register to create your account on Redbubble. You just have to sign up and then you can begin uploading your sticker designs onto their platform. And you can create so many other kinds of stickers as well. So you can create a one-page multiple sticker. So let's say you have like a 15 by 15 inch canvas and you can add like multiple different stickers on that singular page and people can cut them out. That's another option that you can offer for your customers as well. So these are the many ways that you can build your own stickers for Canva. You can do a lot more. You can create multiple different collections. You also have the option to, customize a simple illustration. So if you have your own illustration, you can upload that. If you have like a idea or any kind of illustration that has come to your mind, let's say we want to start off with a collection of food items. So you're just going to search for chips over here and then you can create multiple different illustrations for chips, and this is going to enable you can create infinite collections with these kinds of items on Canva, and the overall layout and system for you to build your stickers is pretty simple as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.